The Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Affairs has 4 key objectives driving its work in the 2025-2026 fiscal year. These align with a central mission to strengthen Jamaica's legal and constitutional framework. To achieve these goals, the ministry has been allocated nearly $1.6 billion for the 2025-2026 fiscal year, an increase of $216 million over the previous year's recurrent budget. The total budget supports 2 key functions: executive and administrative operations and law reform initiatives. Of the allocated funds, $833.8 million will support the ministry's operations, policies, and projects aimed at achieving its objectives. $348 million is designated for the Corporate Services Division, reflecting a $58 million increase from 2024-2025. $485.8 million will go toward policy, planning, and development, which includes research to guide legislative decisions, a $120 million increase over the previous fiscal year.
The reform goal was the promulgation of a modern and new constitution of Jamaica, which reflects an appreciation and understanding of Jamaica's cultural heritage, or governance challenges, and development aspirations, and which embodies the will of the people of Jamaica.
With Jamaica's transition from a constitutional monarchy to a republic already in progress, an additional $28.1 million has been allocated for law reform, bringing the total to $764.9 million for 2025-2026. Of this amount, $136.8 million will fund operational expenses related to law reform.
I am pleased to inform this Honourable House and the people of Jamaica that a bill entitled An Act to Repeal the Jamaica Constitution, Order in Council 1962, and to provide for the legal recognition and operation of the Constitution of Jamaica, notwithstanding the repeal of that Order in Council, to amend the Constitution of Jamaica to provide for a non-monarchical head of state, thereby establishing Jamaica as a republic.
And for that to happen, $217.98 million is set aside for drafting bills and subsidiary legislation, supporting the preparation of legal instruments and the provision of legal advice.
I'm pleased to say the report of the committee is available to members of the public.
The costs associated with the publication of the updated pages of the revised laws of Jamaica and the facilitation of the publication of the laws online will receive $46.2 million this fiscal year. Additionally, the Norman Manley Law School, which falls under the ministry's remit, will receive $363.97 million to support its operations for the financial year. The ministry's budgetary increase reflects the government's commitment to legal and constitutional modernization, reinforcing efforts to enhance governance, uphold the rule of law, and ensure justice for all Jamaicans.